these are my beautiful tomatoes come out of the oven. Look, you can see they're all beautifully nice and squashy. So I'm gonna add them to my blender, which I have got here. And I have now been boiling that little stock, leeks and onions for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to add again that into the blender, which I put on the top there. And then I'm going to whiz it all up. But my past experience, I'm not obviously a chef used to videoing and everything like that. So I could take some time. So basically I'm going to put all these tomatoes like so into my blender. And I'm going to whiz it all up and it will be absolutely delicious. It's just come out. I've let it sort of sit for a little while, but look, they've all broken down into beautiful juice, and the roasting of the tomato is just lovely. And I'm making this look really hard, but it's not. You're going to do it on your own time, and I'm going to pour ladle a couple of bits of this soup, and I'm going to blend it all really noisy and loud, and I'm going to have it for my supper later. And I hope you enjoy, and it's just a little recipe in the 21 days to be perkier, and I hope you're enjoying this journey. It's a first for me and I'm loving it. So join me, let me know if you make it, or let me know if you've made something that I can do. So love to hear from you. Bye for now. Cheerio, have a lovely day.